How to fix Samsung sound problem. So if your Samsung sound is not coming out as expected, or you discover that the sound output is affected, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix your Samsung phone sound problem, all you just need to do is go ahead and put the settings app on your Samsung phone. Now, one of the settings page, just scroll down. First, you need to go ahead and click on sounds and vibration. Click on that. Then make sure you choose sound here. If you selected mute, this is going to mute your Samsung phone sound, and you'll not be able to hear it whenever your Samsung phone rings. And if you choose vibration, this is only going to vibrate where you have an incoming call or messages on your Samsung. So go ahead and choose sound. Then you can also choose vibrate while ringing. If you want to disable vibrate while ringing, just disable this. Now scroll down, locate volume and click on it. Then here you want to make sure that all the volumes are at their maximum. The ring volume, the media volume, the notification volume, and then the system volume. So at the same time, you want to enable use volume button for media, so that if the media volume is reduced to, let's say, the barest minimum now, and you are listening to media on your Samsung phone, you can just use the volume up button and volume down button to control the media. So this will only work whenever you are listening to something on your phone, like music or video. You see that it has affected the media volume. Another way you can use to fix Samsung phone sound problem is go back to the settings page. On the settings, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to software update, then click on that. Now, once you click on software update, go ahead and click on download and install. Then wait for the latest update on your phone. So your Samsung phone will search for an available update. So if there's an update available, go ahead, download the update. Now, once you download the update, then the next one to do is this. Press the power button on your Samsung phone, then tap restart to restart the Samsung phone. And once the Samsung phone is restarted, then the sound problem will be fixed. So if this is not a technical problem, then this should fix the sound problem on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that is basically how to fix Samsung phone sound problem. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.